Who was Alexander and why he is considered as the great? I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House and thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce who was Alexander and why he is still revered as the Great. यानी अभी तक अलेक्जेंडर कौन था और क्यों उसको दी ग्रेट का टाइटल जो है उसके साथ अटैच किया जाता है. Dear student, Alexander the Great was a historical figure who lived in ancient Greek around 4th century BCE. He was the son of Philip II, who was the king of Macedon. At the age of 20, after the death of his father, he ascended the throne. यानी कि अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट जो है वह फिलिप II जो मैसिडोन का बादशाह था उसका बेटा था और 20 साल की उम्र में ही अपने वालिद की ट्रेजिक डेथ के बाद इसने तख्त संभाला. So now we will explore the aspects which made him the great. अब हम वन बाई वन उन एस्पेक्ट्स को देखेंगे कि किस तरह वो ग्रेट था. नंबर 1, Alexander the Great, like other great rulers, was militarily genius. He knew how to conquest, how to defeat the enemy, and even sometimes he proved himself as a great military strategist against the much larger enemies, against the much larger forces of the enemies. Secondly, at the age of 13, he conquered almost half of the world. Like he conquered at the age of Egypt, he conquered at the age of 30 Greek, Egypt, Persia, and many parts of the northern India. Thirdly, Alexander the Great possessed ambition to conquer the known world. यानी कि इसके अंदर एक ambition थी जो कि उस वक्त के contemporary rulers में उस तरह से नहीं, ये पूरी दुनिया को फतह करना चाहता था, इसलिए भी इसको ग्रेट कहा जाता है. Fourthly, Alexander the Great also possessed leadership qualities. इसके अंदर leadership qualities भी बहुत ज़्यादा थी. Fifthly, Alexander the Great also facilitated a cultural exchange between the East and West. यानी ईस्ट और वेस्ट के दरमियान एक कल्चरल एक्सचेंज हुआ, आइडियाज़ का एक्सचेंज हुआ, फिलॉसफी का एक्सचेंज हुआ, लिटरेचर का एक्सचेंज हुआ, स्कॉलर्स का एक्सचेंज हुआ. सो इन द लाइट ऑफ द एक्सप्लेन पॉइंट्स वी कैन से that he was really Alexander the Great, and it would be right to attach the title the Great with Alexander. So with this we can conclude this topic and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.